Quality management goes hand in hand with quality control, quality assurance. You put everything together to make up the quality management. Quality management is the protocol you put together to define the parameters you're going to observe in the laboratory, to define the measurements you're going to take, the limits of those measurements, and when you put those together, that combines your whole quality management system. Quality control is the daily measurements in the laboratory, like temperatures, pH, osmolarities, specifically to andrology that we're talking about. Here is looking at the accuracy and the precision of those measurements that you take on a daily basis to confirm that you're reporting a reliable and accurate and precise result in your testing methods. The biggest risk in quality control is making sure you give a reliable and competent result. The four variables that I talked about today was just the daily quality control checks, the external proficiency testing, the internal intertech variability between technicians, as well as the competency. The competency actually brings all of those variables together, making sure that you can give a reliable, precise result, comparing that to your outside peers through proficiency testing, as well as comparing yourself to your internal peers with your internal testing. So the biggest risk with that would be not caring about those four parameters and being loose of observing those as the lab director. And ultimately, we want to know that on a daily basis, each day we're reporting good, accurate, and precise results.